Hey guys, greetings from Joanne. We are gonna go over the operation of this mechanical ultrasonic cleaner. Now let's look at the front panel. Total time adjust the knob to select the time from 1 minute to 30 minutes. Now you can see this cleaning indicator is in red light. It means the ultrasonic cleaning function is active. Flip the lever up to turn on the degas function. Flip the lever down to turn off. You can turn on and off by flipping the degas lever up and down. Degassing does not interfere with the normal cleaning. When it is on, it performs after every 9 seconds of cleaning. The semi-wave is the cleaning mode, gentler than the standard mode. The full wave is the standard cleaning mode. Flip the lever up for semi-wave cleaning. Flip the lever down for full wave cleaning. Set the temperature, adjust the knob to set the temperature from 20 degrees to 80 degrees. You can see the heating indicator is in red light. It means the heating function is active. This displays the actual temperature. It may be higher than the set temperature when the oscillation is in process. This is normal since the ultrasonic generates heat. Next, we are going to use this ultrasonic cleaner to clean the metal parts. These metal parts are with oil, grease, and dust. We put them into the ultrasonic cleaning tank. Set the temperature to 60 degrees. Turn on degas by sweeping the lever up. Set the time to 30 minutes. This looks like paper, but actually it is high efficiency concentrated cleaning sheet. Simply dilute 1 sheet into 3 liters of water for cleaning. It dissolves with water. The ultrasonic cleaner produces some noise while using the cleaning function, but rest assured it's a normal occurrence. You can turn on the degas function by flipping the lever up. You can leave the machine working and do other stuff to save your time and come back in 30 minutes. Time is up. Let's take out the cleaning basket to see how it looks after ultrasonic cleaning. Apparently, it has done a great job. I do hope you like this video. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next one. Bye.